this is Stacy. Welcome back to the channel. I've been away for a while, which you guys have heard before. And this usually happens for the most part around summertime. It's been a long, hot summer down here in Florida. But during the summer, we do get a lot of visitors. So, you know, I've been busy entertaining and, you know, getting the house ready and preparing food and all of that good stuff. And we've had a great time with everybody that's come down so far. We may get a few more visitors. So anyways, just a quick little update, and then we'll go into what this video is all about. But I'm going to be putting a lot of albums that, a lot of mini albums that I've made that you've pretty much all of them that you've seen here on the channel. Originally when I made a bunch of these albums, the ones that I haven't, you know, given away or made for other people as like a commission type of deal, I had intended to put my own photos in there. I am so busy, you guys. I'm all over the place with painting and journals and mini albums and, you know, all of this stuff. I'm teaching myself how to oil paint. I have a friend that wants a painting commission that's going to be rather complicated, so I'm trying to get myself on a working schedule so I can spread things out and, you know, do a little bit of everything that that I like to do and just kind of assess as far as this creative process where I should be focusing my attention to more. I don't know. I think though that doing a lot of this stuff helps your creativity in other areas. So we'll see about that. But back to the minis. So I'm going to be giving myself a deadline to get these all up by Friday in the afternoon in my Etsy shop. And we finally had weather where it hasn't been cloudy and raining every day, so I can finally get some decent pictures. But they will all have links back here to YouTube, so you can, if you are interested, you can see and refresh your memory again in the step-by-step walkthroughs that I do here on YouTube. I think that's it for the updates. So today's video is about, it's an unboxing for a company called Beebeecraft. And they had contacted me and said, hey, would you like to try some of our products and do a couple of videos, tutorials, and unboxing, that kind of thing? And I said, sure, why not? Let's try it and see how it goes. You are, what you will see is just, you know, an unboxing. It's going to be me taking the stuff out of the box, and I will kind of give you some hints as to how I'm going to use this stuff. You're gonna think I'm crazy because it's not, you know, it's not paper crafts, but they do it's not necessarily for paper crafts, I should say. But you know, as mini albums creators, we like to, and junk journalers, we like to make little dangles, and we like to put different little things into our creations. So maybe this will help you spark your creativity a little bit. They do, a lot of their stuff that they do is for, I could see it used, you know, hugely for jewelry making. So I thought it'd be interesting to just kind of go through and get some ideas. It took me a few days to kind of figure out where I was going to go and figure out what I was going to order to actually show you guys and do some tutorials on. Anyways, okay, enough of me talking. Let's go over to the table and we will go ahead and do the unboxing. Okay, we are back. I have literally had this package for like 2 weeks. With all the company and everything here, I've been dying to get to open it. So I did cut it open so I would be ready, but I have not looked at anything. As you can see, it is still perfectly wrapped up. And I hope I'm not getting a glare. Anything. Let's get rid of this. Stuff out. Okay. So let's do this one first, since it is easy to open. Okay. So the first thing I got were these little, they're beads. And oh, look at, they come in this nice little, it's already in its own little case. Look at that. But these are little beads. And I'll leave the links for this stuff in the description below in case you're interested. But these are just little glass beads. And I think they're like silver lined on the inside. But look at that, look at the colors. The colors are really pretty. I was after this blue and this kind of coral color. I also like the silver and the gold. And I may use, actually I may end up using all of these except for the orange in the project that I'm gonna be working on. But if you can see, let me see, if this focuses, I hope it does. But super cute, super tiny. And these will be in a little project. I think it'll be kind of a mixed media project. So, but it'll be for, should I tell you or should I make you wait? I think these are gonna go on a journal cover actually. So we'll see how that works out. I've been dying to get into this stuff. So because I need to experiment with it. Okay, here is another box. I know what's in this box. Okay, so inside here is, this is gonna be difficult to take out. But inside here is some fake leafing. So there's gold leaf, there's a silver leaf. Let's see if we can do this without destroying it. There's a gold leaf, a silver leaf. I'm trying to be very careful because if you've never worked with like gold leaf and all of that, it's very sensitive. So I'm trying not to break it apart. And there's the silver, and then this is a really pretty copper color. So I think not only can I use this on a journal cover, I'm going to experiment with some abstract painting that anybody can do. It's really popular right now, these kind of abstracts. They kind of look oceany, and they usually have gold leaf in them. And I thought it would be fun to do a tutorial of something that you could do at home and make your own art that doesn't need to be, you don't have to go to, oh, see, here's the little pieces. You don't have to go to, art school to do that. And then last but not least, little tins. There's some little containers. Oh goodness. So I'm gonna leave the link for Beebeecraft down below. You can check them out yourself. Okay, so these are little metal tins. Oh, the lids actually screw on and off. Okay, I didn't realize that, so that's good. So not only will these be good for in the craft room, because I may have a few left over, but and you can see what's inside of them. But these will also be great for a few little craft projects that I have in mind. So try not to glare you out. Everything I do lately has a glare. Yeah. So like I said, if you're interested in any of this stuff, oh, and this comes, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to a package. The gold leaf is just ridiculous. Where is the paper? Where is my paper? Oh, it doesn't say on here. But I think there's at least 50 sheets, I believe, of each of these, if not more. And then this whole little box of all these great beads, and they have other selections of different size beads. A lot of the stuff they do is for people who make jewelry, But yeah, I thought it'd be interesting to see exactly what I could do with this stuff. So that's it for my updates and my unboxing, and you guys have a great day, have a great week, and I will see you back here really, really soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.